Good boy. What are you doing? Thursday, January the 11th, and the day has come where tonight we're going to see Ricky Gervais at the Colston Hall in Bristol. You may remember my vlog. So I'm currently at queue position 1075th. So Albie's discovered the joys of jumping for a stick. Albie? Ready? This dog can jump. I finished painting, sort of. Got most of it on me. So quite a lot of it on the floor. And I've done as much as I can do for today. But the important thing about today is this. Oh, focus, focus, focus. We are going to see Ricky Gervais Humanity live at the Colston Hall in Bristol, and if you saw my previous vlogs you know that I spent about 2 hours sitting hopelessly at queue position 1400 and something thousand, and thought I was never going to get tickets, and at the very last minute when I was about to give up, having been and had a shower and been around the garden, taking the dogs for a walk, I came back to the computer and it said I was at queue position 1. So we're outside the smokehouse, just by the Colston Hall in Bristol, and we went in for some food before we go to see Ricky. There's an hour wait for food, so with 7 tables full inside, and there's still an hour wait for the food, so I think we're going to head to the Colston Hall and see if we can find something to eat there. We're just on the way back from seeing Ricky Gervais in Bristol, which was awesome. So yeah, it was fantastic. It was worth the £32 or whatever it cost me. It was funny, it was bad, it was language was choice. Yeah, he's just got such insight into things that he's experienced, things that he's involved in, like animal charities, and things that he feels passionately about, like animal cruelty. Yeah, it was just a real mixture. That was a car alarm. Jan just locked me in. Yeah, it was all round. It was just incredibly entertaining. Talked a lot about hosting the Golden Globes, which he's done a few times now, and different things that he thought he might say in his intros and the shows, but that even he thought was too bad to actually say, you know, in front of 200 million people on the night of the show. Yeah, lots of personal stuff as well, and really enjoyed it, really enjoyed it.